FBM or FBA? What is the difference and which selling model should you choose if you want to sell on Amazon in the UAE? All the information in today's video. Keep on watching. If you've been researching selling on Amazon in the UAE, you might have stumbled upon the word FBA or FBM. What are they exactly and which one should you choose? What are the pros? What are the cons? All the information in today's video. Hi, I'm Crystal. I'm a professional Amazon seller in the UAE and I am the founder of Amazon Sellers Society Middle East. We want to help you sell successfully on Amazon in the Middle East. You can find all our information and our free trainings in the description box below this video. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel because we upload 2 videos a week, one in English and one in Arabic. Click the notification bell so you know whenever I upload a new video. So essentially, if you want to start selling on Amazon in the UAE, you have 2 types of selling models: FBA, or fulfilled by Amazon, or FBM, fulfilled by merchant, better known as Easy Ship in Amazon in the UAE. Let's start with our first selling model known as FBA or fulfilled by Amazon. As the name denotes, Amazon will fulfill your orders and they will take care of all the logistical parts of selling on Amazon, which to me is a very big pro. So, Amazon, if you wish to send your products and start selling using the FBA model, Amazon will store your products so you don't have to dedicate a room in your house. You don't have to rent an external warehouse if you don't already have the space. Amazon will store the products for you. And as soon as somebody orders the product off the Amazon website, Amazon will automatically pick the product, pack the product, ship the product to the customer, and they will collect the payment for you. They will also take care of the customer service, meaning if the customer has any question, if the customer has any concerns, if there's any issues with the delivery, with the address, anything, they will handle that for you. They have a huge team and they handle that for you. They also take care of the returns. So if a customer wants to make a return, Amazon will return the product. They will either add it to your inventory or discard it if there is a problem with your product. So they take care of all these really important details. So you as a seller, as an entrepreneur, you can focus on growing your business rather than focus on picking and packing and sending and delivering the product whenever you get a sale. This is very important because the idea of selling on Amazon is actually doing it at a big and large scale. Rather than selling 1 or 2 items a day, we want to be selling 100 or 200 items a day. So when you have that big of a volume, you need a team. If you do not have a team, or if you do not want to get a team and pay so they do all these things, you have Amazon to take care of all these really technical details for you. The second pro is that Amazon also, when you start selling using the FBA model, then you are eligible for Prime, for selling for the Prime membership, basically. So Amazon have a Prime membership for all the people who buy on Amazon. 80% of people who purchase on Amazon are actually Prime members. It costs around 60 dirhams a year to get a Prime membership. And if you are a Prime customer, you get special discounts. And most importantly, you get free delivery. And everybody wants free delivery. So if you do opt to sell through the FBA model, you are automatically eligible to enter Prime membership or Prime shipping. What happens is, if there is a buy box, you will win the buy box if you are selling on FBA versus FBM. So basically Amazon gives you a push if you do opt to sell through the FBA model, a push through a higher ranking and through giving you more exposure to Prime members. Moving on to cons, yes, selling using the FBA model is going to cost you a little bit more because Amazon aren't going to do all of this for free. They have to make money. They're a business as well. So they take what is known as the FBA fees, which to me are a little bit low because they start from 3.5 dirhams per product all the way up to 10, depending on the size and weight of your product. So if you're selling a regular sized product, you're only having to pay 3.5 dirhams per product. Again, if you aim to sell 1 or 2 products a day, then you don't really have to go through the FBA model. But if you want to sell and grow your business, the FBA model is the way to go. Another con is once the product is in the Amazon warehouse, you have no control over it. So basically you can't go and physically check on your products. You can't decide to change the packaging last minute and decide to, change the box, for example. You can't add any inserts. So you technically cannot physically look at your products once they are in the warehouse because they're just in the Amazon warehouse. Moving on to the FBM model, fulfilled by merchant, better known on Amazon.ae as Easy Ship. Pros, yes, it is cheaper because you don't have to pay the FBA fees to Amazon. But honestly, you are spending a lot of time picking and packing orders, and you're not going to have the mental concentration to be able to do the most important part of actually growing your business, which is making sure your products are successful on Amazon, marketing, finding new products, because you don't have time. You're going to be spending your time picking and packing and preparing orders for your customers. So it is a pro, but to me, I think it's a con as well. The second thing is that you do have you can take care of your customers. So let me just say that you have customer service. You have the ability to service your customers better. You can write handwritten notes and put them in the boxes. You can add inserts. You can, if you decide to change the packaging, you can do that last minute. So yes, you can actually do those things because the products are in your house or in your office. So this is a big pro as well. The cons, it takes more work. Amazon do have standards. When there is an order that is made on the Amazon website, you have 24 hours to fulfill that order. So if you decide to go with the FBM model, you can't really go on vacation. This is like your full-time job to just pack products. Basically what happens is you go to your full-time job and you come back at night and all you do is pack products. This is what I see happening to entrepreneurs or new sellers on Amazon, because you don't have time, you have to fulfill those orders. So this is a big, big con. Also, you are not Prime eligible. So basically, you cannot showcase your products to all these people who are Prime members, and you cannot give them any free shipping. Also, Amazon, as I said before, Amazon value people who sell through the FBA model because honestly, it makes them more money and they are a business after all. So they will rank people who use the FBA model higher than people who use the FBM model, and they will help people who sell using the FBA model win a buy box, not people who sell using the FBM model. So you need to be aware of that. I think it would be a good idea to sell using the FBM model if you already have a store somewhere in the UAE and these products are in your store. You have employees that work in your store that can do all these servicing for you on top of doing their daily jobs. Then it would be a good idea. But yes, you are still not Prime eligible, so you have this issue in order to figure out. But other than that, I believe selling on Amazon, the best way is using the FBA model. You don't have to concern yourself with any logistical problems, any logistical issues. All you do is you focus on what is important, which is growing your business. So leave me any questions, any comments, any thoughts in the comment section below. I will see you in a new video with more information. Bye.